What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Jasmy, which has taken a little bit of a dip over the last couple of days. So in the last 24 hours it hasn't moved much value wise. However, over the last week it has dropped 13%, with a major drop yesterday which did impact the whole crypto market, with also Bitcoin dropping down to about just over $40,000. However, it has pumped up a little bit since then, but not fully recovered yet. So we're going to be looking at why did it crash? Why did the crypto market crash? Is it Jasmy going to recover anytime soon? Is it expected to pump up over the coming days and so on? And also looking at its overall prediction for 2024. What can we expect? How high can it go? And mainly, is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I am going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple. However, we can see that Jasmy has dropped below the average value and is performing lower than expected. So at the moment it is not performing too well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, guys, this is, as you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are slightly slanting towards the negative direction, not looking too great. They are looking quite bearish, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours from Jasmy. So essentially towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto is likely to take a little bit of a step back and drop down in value. But again, it's going to be very minimal, guys. It is likely to hit green candles in between as well. So it is going to be a mixture of green and red candlesticks, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side. So do expect an overall minimal drop in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we're looking quite bullish at this point. The blue and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So over the next week or so, so by mid to end of next week, Jasmy should be trading at a higher value than where it is at the moment. Potentially hitting this value here is where I'm expecting it to be trading at, or just above that. Again, reason is, as we saw earlier at the beginning of the video, the value of Jasmy is below the SMA indicator on the daily chart, so it is undervalued right now. So it is likely to pump back up to around 0.007 cents over towards the end of this week, early next week. But do expect red days in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back. But what matters is the overall outcome, and at this point it seems to be more on the positive side. So guys, do expect an overall minimal increase in value from Jasmy over the next 7 to 8 days. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are both looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction. Reason for that is the major drop that's taken place over the last 2 to 3 days. As you guys can see here, the graph thinks that is going to keep crashing in that direction and at that pace as well. However, that is not the case. Over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so late February, early March 2024, I am expecting Jasmy to have gone for an overall increase in value and gone past the 1 cent target is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be at by the end of quarter one. So in the next 2 months, 2.5 months, guys, I'm expecting Jasmy to be heading over the 1 cent target. Reason for that is, as I mentioned before, I'm expecting the crypto market to be moving towards the bullish side, with Bitcoin heading to around $50,000 is what I'm expecting in February March time, which should have a positive impact not just on Jasmy but the whole crypto market in general. So an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting right now. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major pump or a bull run or even a crash, I will let you guys know as soon as possible on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone right now, and we've got a long way to hit the resistance target here, which is over 2 cents, and I'm not expecting Jasmy to hit that anytime soon. However, it should be able to hit that towards the very end of this year or early next year, depending of course on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Jasmy performs. That is why I keep you guys updated on a regular basis on what to expect and what to predict on Jasmy. So if you guys want regular updates and want to stay in the loop on predictions on this crypto, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has dropped quite a lot, guys, 37% down, making it $35 million in trading. Again, reason for the drop in trading is because the value of Jasmy has also dropped over the last 2 to 3 days. So most people are just holding back, waiting for it to move either in a positive or negative direction to buy the dip or to sell it once it pumps back up. But most of the time when a crypto starts pumping, that is when it gets a lot of attention. So I'm presuming most people are just holding back, waiting for it to move in a positive direction. But yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. Comment down below your predictions and your takes. Is it going to recover from this crash? Is it going to pump back up in value? Are you guys buying, selling, or just holding back? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And also, if you guys have any other cryptocurrency suggestions that you guys want me to cover on this channel, make sure to comment them down below as well, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, because at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe. So why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.